What's up, y'all? We're back again with another video. I'm LowKeyAD. This is another weekly trading update video for gold. I believe I reviewed gold this past Sunday. Today is October 31st. It's Halloween, so happy Halloween. And yeah, let's get into it. So the market on Sunday, 5 p.m. Eastern, opened up with this bearish candlestick right here, as you can see. I believe on my previous video on Sunday that I said the market can do one or two things. It was going to go up and possibly was going to reject off this zone right here and then sell off, being bearish, or it was going to open up and just be bearish and break to the downside. And that's exactly what it did. Didn't go as far as I would have liked, but again, we do not control the market. We just react to the market and find good trades to get into. So overall, what happened, I did have a Fibonacci that started right here from this high to this low, and I thought this was a retracement, but I removed it because as you can see, the market did not become bearish as I thought it was going to be, at least at this point, but it did not do that at all. So ultimately what happened is it started to create new higher lows. In fact, right here, you can see this nice wick right here. This was my first signal that the buyers were coming in and stopping this overall bearish trend, creating this large wick, which is also part of a Morningstar Doji, a candlestick reversal pattern. Because it's under a zone, I did not get in right here for a trade. The following candlestick was bearish. Still believing that because of this candlestick and because of this zone that the market was going to be bullish. It went up, rejected off this trend line that I started from this low to this point right here, extended to the future, and I also extended this trend line out a little bit and this one out as well. But as you can see, we created a double bottom. This right here, if you look closely, this green bullish candlestick is slightly larger than this red, which is a candlestick reversal pattern. It is a bullish engulfing. This is where some of you guys could have gotten in with multiple forms of confluence, because this is a double bottom. We have higher lows, which is letting us know that we are in a bullish uptrend, as well as this candlestick reversal pattern of a bullish engulfing. Could have made some money up to this point. After this candlestick formed at the open of the market, I drew this trend line out. So as you can see, the market was bullish, consolidated right up under this trend line perfectly, creating this flag. As you can see, I drew this purple line, so you can see this slight trend triangle right here. I knew it was going to break out to the upside, which ultimately it did. I did expect it to retest this trend line, but it ultimately did not. It kind of remained bullish and rested with consolidation right up under this previous high. From this point, I still did not have any trades open. I'm still wondering what the market's going to do. It's consolidating right up under a level that was once hit and then sold off. And then also our RSI is, let me see, is close to our 70, which is our overbought section. So once I noticed the consolidation, even after this wick, I didn't enter a trade. And then we got this bearish engulfing. I didn't believe that the market necessarily was going to sell. If anything, it would retest. And from there, I wasn't sure if it was going to go up again and break out. So I wanted to see what the market ultimately was going to do. But once we noticed this consolidation continued being bearish and it broke above this trend line and retested, I knew that I was looking for an opportunity to get in for a sell. So I continued to monitor the market. I actually remained bullish for a little while longer. Being that we're looking at the hour right now, and this is our first indication of potentially selling off. This is a bearish engulfing candlestick. The market came back after breaking above and getting a slight retest of this trend line, gave us more of a full retest of this trend line, and gave us another candlestick reversal pattern with this bearish engulfing candlestick, and here is where I would have entered trades right here. The market kind of pulled back some, coming back to, let's see, oops, coming back to this. It's not perfect, but it'll do. Coming back to this area right here, rejecting, retesting off this trend, retesting off this zone right here, and giving us a third bearish engulfing candlestick right here. So here, here, or here, you could have gotten it any one of these places. Obviously, you can see my stop loss where I would have had it was going to be right here. Kind of like to have my stop losses slightly above where the high is, or the next closest high. And once it broke and retested, you could have gotten it for some more trades and then sold off perfectly down to this key zone area right here. And currently where the market is in a bullish trend, bouncing off this support zone and also these trend lines. So yeah, that is my update for gold. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll probably update with a new weekly review on Saturday or Sunday, so be on the lookout for that. Y'all be cool.